Hi, today we will be learning to paint this simple pot with leaves sticking out of it. So get your 300 GSM paper and we're going to draw the base of the pot using our pencil very lightly towards the edges and the bottom. So we're not drawing anything on the top because the leaf is going to overflow outside the pot. So I'm going to start off with a basic green. Today I'm using Prima colors, so I really like mixing up my colors to create a different green. So using the brush strokes, I'm creating leaf by leaf. I'm going to now mix a little bit of yellow. You could mix these colors separately and keep them already ready. Sometimes I just like to go by instinct and create the colors on the go. So I'm trying to create the leaves in different directions right now, starting with the bottom, and I'm going around it. This palette is very versatile. I really enjoy creating nature related art with this because the colors are pretty vibrant and happy for creating leaves, paints and florals. I'm going to now mix a little bit of blue with the green to create a slightly darker version so I can create some depth onto my leaves. Since there is already some water in it, it's not yet fully dried, so the blue is able to blend in much easily. Wherever it's not, just add a little bit of water to blend it with the base. You're just merging it and it becomes much easier to do this. We'll now paint the pot. I'm thinking of making it into an orange. So I'm reducing the brightness of the orange and using a mid-tone of it. So you make it lighter by adding some water to the color. Just using water to make it lighter towards the right side of the pot as compared to the left. What we're doing today is very basic. We won't be going too much into the leaf structure yet. We'll slowly get to that over the course of videos. And if there is something specific that you would like to learn from me, you can always reach out to me via my Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me today.